What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to another episode. I'm your host, Gennaro and Willow. Please subscribe to this YouTube page. I would greatly appreciate it. Please subscribe to my other YouTube page, Gennaro and Willow, where you can listen to some of my music. You can download some of my music. I would greatly appreciate it. Today, we're going to be cleaning some jewelry. I'm going to make this video nice, short, and sweet. Short as possible, at least, because it's a process to clean jewelry. And I know I did a video on how to clean jewelry before, but this time I'm going to walk y'all through the process. I have what's called everyday jewelry that I wear. I got this Wong Dragon bracelet from aparo.com. I got this charm right here from goldengill.com, this ferrule charm, as you can see. And then I got this Franco chain right here, stainless steel, gold over stainless steel, on amazon.com. And I got these earrings right here from krkc, I believe.com. Moissanite. These are Moissanite. These are CZs right here. Okay, and it's the reason why I'm showing y'all that. And my bracelet is CZs. So I want to show you guys how I clean my jewelry. There's no wrong or right way to clean your jewelry. Well, it is a wrong way, but there's a few right ways. Okay, and what I like about wearing plated jewelry, CZs, and Moissanite, you can always test theories, because if your jewelry get messed up because it's so cheap, you can buy some more. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to run down what I do to clean my jewelry. So let me grab, I forgot something. Let me grab my denture cleaners. Okay, so just one moment, y'all bear with me. So we're gonna clean this jewelry, but first I'm gonna give you guys what you need to clean the jewelry. First, you need a velvet pad. I always tell people, make sure you get a velvet jewelry pad, because you don't want your jewelry to, you know, get bips and bangs on it and get dented and get, you know, it puts the dents and the bips and bangs in the wear and tear come from the metal slamming down on things, as well as, you know, your sweat and your body liquids and fluids and things of that nature. So you're gonna need this pad right here. All right, you're gonna need paper towel, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, some paper towel. All right, make sure you have a roll like me. I got a roll right here. All right, you're gonna need, I like to use Dawn, but right now I got the dollar store liquid dish detergent. All right, you're gonna use the denture cleaner tablets. Okay, this, I got these from the dollar store too. That's right, effervescent. Make sure it say effervescent. And then you're gonna need these eternal polishing cloths. Okay, for the final touch. You can get these on Amazon. You can get the other stuff from the dollar store. You can also get the other stuff off of Amazon as well. You also are going to use filtered water. Okay, and I have, let me move this over, a bowl right here, and it's got the dish detergent in there. All right, and I actually boiled the water, because if you use tap water, it's kind of cloudy, y'all know that, you know. And what I do is I took a spoon and I mixed the hot water. I boiled some filtered water. That's right, it's from the dollar store, or you can boil your water, and you put just a dab of this liquid dish detergent. All right, you mix it like that, and what I do is put that spoon to the side. I just dip it in there like that, just regular dish detergent. I would suggest Dawn. I love Dawn, man. Dawn be cleaning, you know what I mean? You know, put all this in here like this. Okay, boom. You see what I'm saying? And you let that marinate in there like that. You take the spoon, you mix it all together, like that. And what I like to do when I clean my jewelry, honestly, ladies and gentlemen, I might take a rag like this, and let's use this for an example. Okay, and I'm not going to do every last one of them, but sometime when you got these Cuban links like this, they got dirt in between this part that you don't pay attention to. I let it soak in there for a minute, and then I just wipe that dirt off. You see that right there? See how that dirt came off? And I actually do each one. All right, I would actually do each link. You know what I'm saying? And you'd be surprised. Look at that. Look at the dirt coming off of there. The dirt coming off of there. You know what I'm saying? And even though this is plated jewelry, you know, this is how you got to take care of it. Because if I had real jewelry, I would do the same thing. And that'll help that get off of here. Here, let me take a seat here. You know what I mean? So we can get down to the get down. Move this over here in the camera. All right. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna go through each link due to time, but you definitely want to do that. You find little dirt spots, right? While the other jewelry is soaking, you just grab a couple more, man. Look at that. Look at that dirt, man, coming off of there. You see what I'm saying? Because I wear this every day. You know, I wear this every single day. You know, some people use a toothbrush. Toothbrush is cool, but when you're dealing with these links like this, and you get all the grit and the grind that's coming from your body and your lotion and stuff like that, just like to get down and dirty. Look at that. Look at that. You see what I'm saying? You don't want your jewelry out here looking like that. I mean, unless you a savage boy. If you a savage boy, then you know what I'm saying, you don't care. But I'm not a savage boy. You know, I at least want people to know that my jewelry is not plated. You know what I'm saying? So when they see little dirt and stuff, you'd be surprised what people see. Like, you could be out and about chilling. I like to go to the cigar bar. You know, I like to go to fancy restaurants. So I'm gonna let that soak in there. Now, while that's soaking in there, I know y'all wondering, what are you gonna do with the denture cleaner? Well, I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to do with the denture cleaner. While that's soaking in there like that, I'm gonna mix that in like that. You know what I'm saying? Now watch this, because I don't want any harsh chemicals. Like, you know, if this is good for dentures that's gonna go in somebody's mouth, if it's that gentle, so here's my philosophy behind it, then it's gentle enough to clean my jewelry. Look at that right there. See how it's already, you know what I'm saying, starting to do its thing? That's what I'm talking about. You know, for like Frankenstein, you know what I'm saying? And I let that go in there like that. And that's gonna get all between the Cuban links. You know what I mean? Look at that, it's already shining. You know, dish detergent soap like Dawn is real gentle. And I'm gonna let that shit for a minute and do its thing until I kind of like see it stop bubbling. Now I might let this sit for like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes and go do something else, to be honest with you, because I'm gonna let that bubble and I want that to totally dissolve. And it's kind of like working for me. And if you just feel like watching your jewelry, you can kind of like, you know what I'm saying, do this and play with it if you just want to do, you know what I mean? If you just want to play with your jewelry. Okay, so basically it stopped bubbling, okay? Usually it stopped bubbling, the kind I got, usually stop bubbling probably in like 5 minutes, all right? So it stopped bubbling, and for the sake of time, I'm gonna go ahead and just start doing what I do, all right? So now that you got that down pat, you know, you might want to stir it up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna start pulling out each piece, and I'm gonna start putting it on this black velvet pad. So let's move this velvet pad over here so y'all can see that. All right, and the velvet pad gonna get wet, but don't worry, it'll dry. You know what I'm saying? You need to clean it anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a brand new piece of napkin over the velvet pad. So let's put some napkins over the velvet pad. Still gonna get wet, but let's do that. And let's start moving the jewelry outside, okay, of, you know, the pad. And already, as you can see, it's shining. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a napkin and I'm gonna pat it dry. Oops, let's fix that. You know, kind of rub on it a little bit. Man, that motherfucker is shining. Yes, yes, yes. Yep, it's looking good, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Turn it over again. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this to the side and we're gonna go to another piece. All right. Let's go ahead and do an earring. How about that? Yeah, look at that mug, it's sparkling. That's crazy, you feel me? Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my God, this like don't do it justice, to be honest with you. This camera does not do it justice at all. All right, I clean the stem because it's been in your ear, you know what I mean? And now let's get the other earring here. Get that going on. I hope I'm helping somebody. I make sure I wipe down the you know, the diamond part real good. Let that go. Let me get another piece of paper towel. That one got getting kind of soggy. So I'm gonna put the here like that. Oh, let's not forget about the backs, y'all. You know, let's not get the backs. So let's get a new paper towel, because you're gonna go through some paper towel. Let's, you know, get that back going on. Boom, that back nice and clean. Put that to the side. Hope I'm helping somebody today. Boom, back. Okay, so now we're gonna do, I'm gonna unloosen this chain, because let me explain this to y'all too. So when you get gold plated over steel, it kind of like has a dark tone to it. You know, like gold over steel got kind of like a dark tone. That's how people can tell the difference between like the real gold, which is a little bit more shinier. But if you got the right company to do your gold plating, and you get it from the right company, and you can't see the dark, you know, metal under. You know, if the plating is thick enough, if the gold plating is thick enough, let me say it correctly, then you know, if they have a thick plate or ion plating where they actually mix it into the metal, if it's done properly, you know, you won't be able to really tell. So I just want y'all to see, you know, that's, you know, it's decent, it's shining, you know, pretty nice. So let's get off into the piece right here. Now let's dab that. Let's see what's going on with that right there. It's looking good, okay? And as y'all can see, this is why I got everyday jewelry. There's a diamond missing right there. You know, I'm honest, so that's why it's every day. Just take the bips and the bangs and stuff like that, you know. But I'm gonna keep rocking it, because who's gonna notice that diamond missing right there? I notice it, but the average person is not gonna notice that. So I'm gonna keep rocking this until it just fade away. That's the beauty about this. Put this back in here like that. Well, actually, no, I'm not gonna put that back in here like that. Let me show y'all what I'm getting ready to do next. So after you done and you got all your pieces here in place like that, what you can do now is, so let's take this paper towel off of here. I think we've done justice. All right, let me do that. Like that. And what I'm gonna do now is, with these eternal polishing cloths that I showed y'all earlier, they have two types of cloth when you buy them off of Amazon that come in one package. Mine is kind of dirty, so it's gonna be time to get new one. So they got the brown cloth, and then they got the white cloth. And my cloths are so dirty that you damn near can't even tell the difference between. I'm sorry. I apologize. Yeah, my apologies, ladies and gentlemen. So they got two types of cloths. They got the gray cloth and they got the white cloth. The gray cloth is used to just clean. So we're gonna go over this metal right here like this. All right, and wipe it down. You kind of like drying it off. Think about when you get out the shower. You know, it dry off. We did that, but this is like the final, you know, final boy. And you're gonna take this piece right here. You know what I'm saying? Wipe it down like that. With the gray cloth first. Put that final finish on it. All right. And this is my everyday jewelry, like I say. So, you know, you just, you know, every now and then you just want to clean it. You want to be different than everybody else. You don't want to be out here being no savage. You know what I'm saying? Clean it off like that. I'm gonna do the same thing for the earrings. Same situation. You know what I'm saying? Got it looking brand new. I even want to hit the backs up. You know what I'm saying? Get that going on. Where my other back at? The back of that say, I don't know what that say. What is that? 925. So I guess this is, I don't know, shit. Might be gold over silver. All right. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Is that what that is? All right. So then we're going to take a white cloth, which is the polishing cloth and internal polishing cloths that you get from Amazon. And we're going to go ahead and lightly just shine it up. It's nice and clean and it's ready to rock. You know, real simple process, man. But this is what I do to clean my jewelry for those who don't, for those who want to know. So I decided to do a cleaning video, because I did one way back in the day, but it's just time to update it. This is how I clean my CZs, my Moissanites, cubic zirconias, my gold plated stuff. And then when this stuff fade from doing this too much, just get a new one, man. So I like buying this, what they call fake jewelry. Like I like to preach, there's no such thing as fake jewelry. That's so stupid, right? Fake jewelry. I mean, if it's got gold on it, it's real. It might not be as much gold as the real deal. Remember this, when you plate something, it just means it has less gold, because nothing is pure gold. They have to mix it with some type of metal. And then, because gold is too soft to just be pure. So I don't believe people, the jewelry business is the most scamming business in the world, man. So all these rappers and people that you trying to look up to, and you looking up, you kind of copy, they wearing fake shit. So don't believe the hype, please. So I want to reiterate, go back and clean, just see, if there's any dirt in between those links. I want to reiterate that. You might want to touch it up, whatever the effervescent bubbles didn't get out, you want to go back and you want to clean that. So that's, what I would do, so here go a little dirt spot right there, you know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all get everything as far as educating you guys on how to clean your plated jewelry, CZs, Moissanite, diamonds. Okay, please subscribe to my YouTube page, and your only problem is going to be after this is cleaning up everything. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube page. I'll see y'all soon. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, Gennaro and Willow, where you can listen to some of my music. Some of my music is old, some of my music is new. Check it out. I greatly appreciate it. Thank y'all so much. I love y'all. Peace.